Hey, hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show how I learned in a data science related job. In the data field, there are three key roles: data analyst, data scientist, and data engineer. Though all of them need a unique skill set, there is a common skill set which is SQL, a database management. And data analysts require advanced Excel skills, Power BI Tableau skills, mainly focusing on data visualization and interpretation. Scientists need a Python and a deep understanding of machine learning. And for the data engineer, they need to know Python, Airflow, and DBA skills. Other than that, statistics and Python for data analyst, and for the data scientist, it's good to have statistics, linear algebra, and one of the cloud, Azure or AWS or Google Cloud would do. Similarly, for the data engineer, it's good to have Hadoop, Spark skills, and cloud services skills. I'm pretty sure all of us have some access to one or the other database like the Spark SQL, Snowflake, MongoDB, Oracle, whatever. While I was working as an embedded system developer, I started my learning journey by diving deep into the world of data. I have pursued courses in machine learning algorithms and Python and then Power BI schools, all through Udemy. So these skills were adding up to my already existing programming skills and SQL skills and Excel skills, basic Excel skills. And I would say doing any of these cloud related certificates, good to do. As I mentioned, I had SQL skill already, and then I pursued Excel, Python, and machine learning, and Power BI with multiple courses. So now that I have all these skills acquired, knowledge acquired, still people expect hands-on experience to learn in a job. So I created multiple Excel reports, BI dashboards using the device logs. But the real game changer was building a machine learning model to proactively fix devices before the issue happens. So that's how I did it. And none of this would have been possible without a friend who guided me through the use cases and learning path. It is amazing how collaboration and the right guidance can propel your career to new heights. I can help you too if you leave your comments below. Thank you.